Oh my God, I know. So I did this look in yesterday's video, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to recreate this for this vlogmas, this vlognicity. So I legit. Oh no, this is in slow mo. Oh, let me fix this and come right back. Me behind, guess me what? Me did a film, you know, me roughly. And when I realized say it had the slow mo, I said, what is the slow mo? And then I flicks it. Well, I thought I flicked it. I didn't. It recorded it in slow mo. That's why my memory run up so fast, because I had to keep on. So I didn't know is my transfer, my blood cleanse, everything in a slow motionalization. Almighty God, I've done it. Well, this is kind of cute, right? Oh, come on, slow-mo. Okay. I promise you everything will fix. So what I do now is I basically set my eyebrow, but my eyebrows are a little bit thin. So if your eyebrows are thicker, this may not work for you. You will definitely have to glue down your brows, and then you wait for those to dry, and then you can go in with your pencil, and then set your pencil with your powder. I like setting it with powder, sorry, because when it sets with powder, it looks more flush. It looks more put together, and the colors blend more seamlessly. I find that sometimes, most times, the pencils it cake up in my under my eyebrow. No? So yeah, great. Oh yeah, so I'm using eyeshadows. What else? Yes, I've been doing colored brows. I have not done a natural brow since the last time I did that photo shoot where I was topless with SL Closet. Yeah, I have not done natural brows, and those brows were strictly for the shoot, because that's not how I do my brows. Here we go for some normal speed. Yes, girl. So I'll say I'm putting everything, and I find that this palette, I ain't gonna lie, I've had it for what, 2-3 years, and baby, it's golden. And look at how it's what I'm talking about. Look at it, look like my mother 3 eyeshadow, but I just 2. For my daughter, I'm gently, I'm lightly pulling the green into the blue, and that's going to make the green a lighter blue, and make the blue, sorry, make the green a darker green, and make the blue a lighter blue. You see me? So now I'm going in with my concealer from Anchor Cosmetics. It's in the number 3, I believe. It's the light concealer that I have. Oh no, it's my cream concealer, sorry, from Sasha Cosmetics. And the magic to this foundation, look you guys, is definitely cream foundations. Definitely. I love liquid foundations, but I find that cream foundations, it sits better on my skin. It helps with my acne scarring, my pores. It's just beautiful. And these Sasha foundations, I'm not wearing a primer, and oh my gosh, and even my technique with the sponge, and I always thought that you needed a special sponge to do this, or you needed a special powder to do this, and I'm like, no you don't, because I ain't gonna hold you, I was finna buy that like inexpensive powder. Yeah, honey, I was finna buy an expensive powder. Girl, drink, girl. Yeah, girl. I was finna buy an expensive powder. And I said, but wait, I'm gonna try the Sasha. So the foundation I'm using, I'm actually mixing my Sasha foundation. Sorry, this is Perfect Spice and also Perfect Bronze. I'm mixing those two. So I put Spice underneath, which is the light, and I put Bronze on top because I wanted more of like a bronzier look, a more a warmer look. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but it makes sense to me when it's photographed. So how I do my makeup is strictly for YouTube, isn't me? But this technique that I do, that I'm showing you guys, it actually works for both like for camera and like day, which is kind of rare, isn't me? This is my anchor. This is the foundation, the concealer I thought I was using for my brows. So this is the Anchor Cosmetics foundation. Listen, this thing, oh, I'm going to I started out blending out at the edges because I want the inner corners to sit a bit, because baby, this is full coverage when it dries down. Ooh, baby, yeah, you, girl, it bar, nuts, Christ, not twice, huh? But I did inquire, and he agrees in the size. Yes, I'm just blending out now using my brush, and then I believe, am I going to be taking my, yeah, I'm going to be taking my beauty sponge. Oh, I'm going to be low lighting now. So I'm taking Perfect Mocha, I believe, and I am low lighting with Perfect Mocha, and I'm mixing it with Perfect Perfect Mocha only, sorry, Perfect Mocha only. and also down the sides of my nose to snatch on that nose, honey, and that jaw, baby girl. So this is it. So what I'm using are the pressed powders from, again, Sasha Cosmetics, but baby, using a damp sponge to apply this, I'm telling you, it changes everything here in Jamaica in this heat. Me I tell you, no matter say me I sweat, me I drip, me I have on a primer, and I'm gonna pop my face and makeup not gonna know it. People always ask me, oh, I get wood not wearing primer. It's my technique. I have been doing this for over 10 years. What are you talking about? I'm not new to this, my love. I'm not just subscribing to this, but we've been vibing to this. When I asked, and I did the same technique all over my face because I was like, you know what? I like how my under eye look. I am going to do this all over my face, and baby, the only thing is it kind of clogged up the palette. So you know that like clog like film it gets and I have to kind of scrape it off. Yeah, it did that. So I'm gonna figure that out. But you know, I figured this technique like what, a day ago, and I was like, I'm gonna tear everybody, honey. You know, so, and it works better when it's pressed powder. When it's the loose powder, it doesn't work. It's not as smooth. The makeup not come out as flush. It come out too cakey. One of the loose powder, one of the pressed powder. Mama, I tell you, say makeup come out pointed. And these colors in this palette, man, they're absolutely tremendous, you know. And I never want to get them preps because them not pay me or nothing. But boy, man, you have to dash them, you have to give them rose and them rose droom love. Because the roses drift there. So my ad was to give them. My ad was to. Look at that, and it blends really, 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 really nicely together. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Sorry, I'm vlogging, and yeah, so you guys will find out why I am a little bit stuffy in this video, but yeah, a lot is happening, and I'm going to hold it like a G. You see it? I'm putting on my black eyeliner pencil. This is from LA Girl. I'm in love with this eyeliner pencil, and I'm blending it out. I'm using an angled brush, but I can blend it out with a fluffy brush. A fluffy brush blends it out really, really nicely. Then I'm going to go right up in here, grab that green, and I'm going to put it on my lash line and under my lash line. No, lash line under my lash line, and then I'm going to get that lighter green, and I'm going to put that lighter green underneath my lash line to bring out that green. I don't know why I chose orange, greens, and pinks, but that's what I did. My lashes are from Nana Lashes on Instagram, and my glue is my specialty glue, my pièce de résistance. My Anchor lip gloss, the glue ear glue, but I tell nobody nothing, you know. Oh, by the way, it's the end of the tutorial. I actually lined my lips with some brown eyeliner pencil, and this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're on day, what's it, 5? Is it 5 or 4? I think this is day 4. You guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe if it is that you like my content. Like it if you do, and comment if you want to comment. I mean, the ball is completely in your court. Do whatever you want to do, but don't forget to... You're a star. I don't know what to say. I love you guys. Bye.